Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor X6 and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout in this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then let's scroll in order to find display and brightness. Here we've got the sleep option, so let's enter. And as you can see, we've got more options to choose from. We've got 15 or 30 seconds, which are relatively short options to choose from, or 1 to 5, 10 minutes. What is more, we can set never, which means that your device will never automatically black out. So in order to change, to set the sleep option, all you have to do is to basically tap on it. So 5 minutes, for example, and as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which simply means that from now on, after 5 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to change the screen timeout in your Honor X6. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.